Checking out this new magnetic puzzle toy, the Dumodo. This is a new one for me. I haven't seen this one before. Comes in just cardboard packaging, so there's not a bunch of wasted plastic or anything. We'll just open up the cardboard here. And once we open it up, we can pull it out. This one's a little different than some of the other magnetic puzzle toys like this that I've seen or played with, because this one, there you go, comes apart into two pieces. And this piece locks into the top piece there. And you can see they're durable. I just dropped it on the ground. But each of these turns into its own magnetic opportunity. And boom, right off the bat, did some sort of a mask or a dart going on over here. That flipped back into the half a cube. And we'll open that up into some kind of a chair, maybe. That's actually pretty neat, because when you set up some of the other ones, they'll turn into a big diamond shape. So I'm just going to flip this around without any rhyme or reason and see what we come up with. And looks like we've come up with some sort of a boat, I guess. Kind of a weird boat shape. And we'll see if we can't get that to fit together. And this is more than a fidget toy, because this one is kind of, it seems limitless, but there's actually an actual number of shapes that you can come up with. And as you can see, lots of different ways to play with them together. Hope this helps.